Hi IGTV, welcome back to my channel. This is Awa/Eva. I keep saying that because my name is Awa in African, and then you mean Eve in the English Bible. Yeah, you mean Eve, so most people call me Eva, just to simplify it. But welcome back. And I said, since it's still Tuesday, let me do another makeup review because I just finished doing a video. And I want to talk about the makeup, the eyeshadow that I have on my eyes right now. And I love the makeup. So I said, why not share? I don't have to wait until next Tuesday. It will be about it because I'm going to be working anyway until my next day off. So we can go back to the shenanigans, you know. Okay. So I picked up these palettes. It's supposed to be 2 palettes into one. But if you want, you can pick up different too. Is this palette by what is it called, Melt Cosmetics, and it's called Vida and Muerte. Yeah. Muerte is the dark ones, as well you can tell from the cover, and that means death in Spanish. And then Vida is the beautiful, colorful spring type of vibe colors that you can kind of tell too. That means life, party, fun. And this is dark, you know, all that good stuff. I don't know who's called, but let me see. And all that good stuff. So let me show you Vida first. Vida has the fun colors. This is the palette I used today. Even though mine don't look all that fun, but I try to incorporate the khaki color, the dark camera flash, and I use some green, and I mix this one with this to give it that little yummy green. That's the one I have in the middle. And then I wanted to go in with the red, like this red was calling my name, and that's my middle color. And then this shimmer right here is like kind of orangey red. I use that in my inner corners. I love it, love it. It's very pigmented. You can do a lot with this palette, but you cannot do a lot. How do I explain that? This is not your natural girl palette. This is not a palette for girls who just want makeup with no makeup look, the new thing. Because sometimes I'm like, then what's the point? Just use some good moisturizer and keep it pushing. If I'm gonna beat this face for 2 hours, people better notice, okay? Like, I better shine. You see this? 2 hours. Thank you. So after that, I'm gonna come back with the Muerte. Ooh, they have that bright red here as well. Oh, but no, I think this is bloodier. This is like blood red. Yes, but this, I like this when I go out. It's really good for your smoky eyes, the like for nighttime. Really, I just throw some glitter on top, like I did a little bit of glitter today. Just throw that on top of the black, top of the blue, the green. You can try to wear this by itself during summer. You know, just throw it up there, keep it moving. No quick, nothing serious. I love these 2 palettes. They are just as pigmented. And then I also love their black eyeliner. It's called Immortal. Immortal is the blackest black I've ever used. I have that on today as well. I love it. They also have a blue one that I'm gonna pick up next week at Sephora for my waterline. The blue one is so yummy. It's I love Melt. I didn't used to use Melt Cosmetic, but honestly it was the design on this that really captivated my heart. Like when I saw the design, I was like, oh, okay, give me Muerte and Vida. And then I saw the girl was explaining her backstory on at Sephora.com when you go on the little package page, and it really, I just liked it. I liked it, and I ordered it, and I was not disappointed. I love these 2 palettes. I have been using it since I got it, and it's a lot of products too. Like, it's a lot in here. I love it. Love it. I've never used Melt before this, and this is my first 2 palettes from them. This is supposed to be 1, and I really enjoy it. So it's one of the things I wanted to share today on my little makeup video review section on my IGTV. You know, I just started back doing makeup. I had all this makeup laying around because I used to do makeup for other people, but I do hair as well, so hair took over. I'm so crazily busy, and I thank God for it, but sometimes I don't have time to fit in the two. So instead of all this makeup laying around, I'm like, I'm gonna start back my YouTube channel. So that's how it came about. I guess 2020 is gonna be about what? Doing YouTube channel when I'm bored. Like right now, all my kids are sleeping, hubby is at work. So what is there to do? Talk shit on the camera. But anyway, that's my little review for today on the new Melt palette. So let me know if you guys, whatever you think about, please, if you like it, leave me a comment. Let me know what's up, what do you want to see, what's good with the channel, what's bad with the channel, and all that good stuff. And as always, it's Eva. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay healthy, and please take care of yourself, because nobody else gonna do it for you. Okay, bye.